Cedric Marks is accused of killing both Jenna Scott and Michael Swearingen, and he still intends to represent himself in the upcoming trial.
And while a legal expert says that representing yourself is not advised, it does provide multiple opportunities to derail a trial. 6 News reporter Andrew Moore explains. Andrew?
Yeah, representing yourself at your own murder trial is almost universally seen as a bad idea, but it can also create problems for the trial process and create opportunities for delay. 6 News legal expert Liz Mitchell told us today there will be multiple pitfalls that the court is going to need to avoid when doing this. If Marks chooses to be his own lead attorney, that has several ramifications. In that situation, Marks would actually take part in picking jury members. If Marks shares information with a jury that he is not supposed to, it could result in the jury being spoiled, and that means they need to get another one. If Marks manages to leak privileged information before the trial, that could actually ruin evidence and make certain items inadmissible, further complicating the process. And if Mitchell says if Marks proves to be incapable of acting as his own attorney, that can actually open the door for the case to be tried again in another court.
He could, essentially, even though he's defending himself, be ineffective. The defendant is entitled to effective defense. If he's ineffective, that could be, an issue for appeal.
Mitchell also told us this would not in any way allow Marks to escape the judicial process, but it would be enough to delay a verdict. Mitchell says the judge, prosecutors, and even the standby defense attorneys will need to stay on their toes the entire time to keep this trial running smoothly. We're going to talk more about that coming up at 6 o'clock. Guys?
All right. Thanks, Andrew.